There it is. Another milestone. Today is November 13th, 2022. Alright, I was hearing some race cars down here. I'm at the end of Becker and Village something. And there he goes. I wanted to catch him down here. I thought they were probably doing donuts. It sounded like they were doing donuts for, good gosh, 2 or 3 minutes straight. But I was about half a mile away, so I couldn't make it in time. I'm gonna look right down here at this red light and see if there's not donuts in the middle of the street, because we're way out here in the middle of nowhere. Yep, and there's all the donuts that I was hearing. Out here at the end of Village Parkway and Becker Road. Nothing out here yet. I remember Becker Road was a dirt road. And I see it's a dirt end of dead end road. But we're heading down that way. Number of miles. We got a hospital there. That's our landmark that we're heading for. Alright, the guy showed back up, and let's see if he's gonna give us a show. Gonna show us something. As long as he doesn't come over here. Sparks fly. Sparks are flying. Sure, it's gonna go one more time. Oh no, he blew a tire. He blew a tire. I thought I heard that. Right down there, see if he needs some headlight.